Hey fellow designers, get ready to revolutionize your t-shirt game with a dynamic duo, Canva's bulk create feature and ChatGPT. In just 1 minute, I'll show you how to craft a whopping 100 t-shirt designs for Redbubble and Etsy. It's time to unleash the power of Canva Bulk Create with some game-changing tips and tricks. Start by opening a new design in Canva, specifically tailored for t-shirt dimensions. Choose a template to set the tone for your t-shirt masterpiece. Now, let's tap into the creative brilliance of ChatGPT. Ask for unique phrases or designs to adorn your t-shirts, copy the suggestions, and head back to Canva. Navigate to the apps, search for Bulk, and open the Bulk Create app. Opt for Enter Data manually, clear the table, paste the text data from ChatGPT, and connect the data. With a single click on Generate, you've just produced a staggering 10 t-shirt designs ready for Redbubble and Etsy. In just 1 minute, your t-shirt empire has grown exponentially. Now take the time to customize a few designs for that extra touch of uniqueness. Imagine the possibilities and time saved while elevating your t-shirt business. If this quick and powerful tutorial has ignited your creativity, don't forget to hit like, share the design love, and subscribe for more. Thanks for tuning in. Let's make those Redbubble and Etsy shops shine.